Freelance as a career choice has recently become an incredibly attractive proposition. According to a study conducted by Intuit, freelancers are expected to account for at least 40% of the American workforce by 2020. Regardless of whether you're a photographer, a software developer or a digital marketer, the following tips will help you shape yourself into becoming a better freelancer. 5. Identify the things that you can do or sell. It's very important to identify your skills and the things you can do. Do you want to write? Try to apply as a freelance writer. There are a number of platforms from different types of a niche offering payment per post. Do you know how to make a simple graphic design? Have you tried to make quotes in your social media pages or infographics? Do you know how to make some nice Instagram stories and Pinterest pins? You can give your clients these basic graphic designs. You can also offer your management skills as a virtual assistant. There's a lot of work going on with this job, and you can learn a lot of things while you're a virtual assistant. 4. List the things you are trying to learn. Of course, apart from the skills that we already have, we also want to learn a lot of things that can help us get more clients. You can list at least 3 things that you want to learn. Find time to learn the skills. Everything's available online. There are tons of free things to learn online, and if you want to get deep into it, feel free to enroll in an online course that's suited to your goal as a freelancer. 3. Build a portfolio before you start freelance. The best thing you can do as a portfolio is to build a blog. Many have been hired a few times because clients like their blogs and content. Getting a blog will teach you a lot of stuff like content writing, website creation and management, basic HTML, social media management. You should give your potential clients this skill set. Another way to build a portfolio is to offer services free of charge. This is not ideal, but effective. You may sell your services to your friends or family and add production to your portfolio. 2. Place yourself in there. When you've got a portfolio, you need to be obvious. Post your portfolio online or on your social media pages. You might have friends, or a friend of your common friend, who might want to hire you. Create online profiles and apply for jobs on websites such as Upwork, Outsourcely, and LinkedIn. 1. Be confident, man. Send your proposals to the websites mentioned above. It's better to try until you find your first client. Most importantly, always be confident that you do your homework. Every client will challenge you in any role they've provided, and you need to motivate yourself to do that. The trick to this is to lower their standards and surpass your results. Don't be afraid to try new tasks. Remember that Google is a friend of ours. Everything is online, you can just check it out and learn it. Be a Google search master, this is the key to a better job for you. Finally, be open to new possibilities. I always have something to learn from my clients, they teach me a lot of things I can add to my skills. Learning is a process that never comes to an end. Remember, the first step is the hardest one. Let's hope you can start your freelance adventures.